Imagine your child speaking fluently, confidently on stage, in class, in life. That's the Quest journey. Quest is a dynamic communication skills program where students don't just learn English, they live it. At Quest, we focus on spoken English, grammar through games, stage presence, interview skills, personality development. We've partnered with top schools to reach thousands of students. And the results speak for themselves, louder, clearer, and more confident. From shy to expressive. From silent to bold. Our students don't just speak English, they own it. Parents see growth. Teachers see change. And students feel unstoppable. Join the movement that's transforming young voices.